watch it. Recording the sewer line here at 7011 23rd Ave Northeast, excuse me. Date is May 18th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the toilet flange here in the basement of the home. We are looking at the tap to the city main sewer. So, city main sewer, if you look on the top right side of the screen, should be flowing down there in a larger diameter pipe. Where we are unable to get any farther is right here at the tap, where the line has started to settle a little bit. So coming back now, we are coming into the personal sewer line of 7011 23rd Avenue Northeast. The homeowner is responsible for maintenance, repair, and replacement of all this sewer line coming back. We are in 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line underneath the road right now. And making our way back towards the sidewalk. Seam in the pipe approximately every 2 feet. Seams are the weak spots, where they allow roots, settling, shifting. As far as structurally, other than that main section, where it's settled a bit, it looks okay. You just got some roots coming in the seams. And we zeroed out our footage down there, so we're going to get an accurate footage count as we go. Here is the repair, spot repair done in the past. That's SDR 35 PVC pipe. Looks like it's 6-inch diameter spot repair there. Looks like it's right at the 4-inch to 6-inch diameter shifting spot. So what they've used is a 4-inch to 6-inch shifting Fernco connection, basically. 6 inches goes back to a 4-inch connection as you come back into this concrete pipe. So they dug it up and repaired the 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shift, kind of right to the property line or close to it. So we're going to zero out our footage. We've got 36 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. We're now coming back into 4-inch diameter. So we're back on the property now. Large root mass there, taking up some 70% or so of the pipe. Another one here, I believe. Yep, another large one there. That map. Turn there and a tie into the pipe there on the left side. Trying to see how this is adding up with our map here. It doesn't seem to be jiving exactly, but we'll go check it out here in a second. That's your biggest culprit, though.
right there.
I mean, that's probably the one that's causing the repeated clogs.
Uh-huh.
The rest of the line's not in great shape either,
Uh-huh.
but that's probably the one causing your immediate issues. So coming up out of the cast iron there, toilet flange, and end the video there to test a couple of these fixtures and do a little locating.